Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable the Alt plus Tab shortcut keys for games on Windows 11. For this, you need to install Microsoft PowerToys on your Windows PC and then you can disable Alt plus Tab shortcut keys on Windows 11 machine. I will provide the link in this video description. You can use that to download and install PowerToys on your PC. Once PowerToys is installed on your Windows 11 machine, click on this one a start button at the taskbar and here search for PowerToys. Then click on this one PowerToys preview tab link. This will open PowerToys on your Windows 11 PC. Then select Keyboard Manager in the left sidebar. On the right, you need to turn on this one toggle switch, enable keyboard manager. Just click on this one to enable this option. Then click on this one remap a key tile. This will open a separate window. Here, click on this one add key remapping button. Then under select, click on this one drop down menu. And here you need to choose Alt, select Alt option. Then again click on this one add key remapping button. This time select tab option or both these options in under to send select disabled and here also select disable option. Then click on this one OK button. Click on continue anyway. Now when you will try to press Alt tab, this will not work on your Windows 11 machine. In case you want to enable this option, again click on this one remap a key tile, delete this one, this both tab and alt remapping, then click on this one OK button. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.